Hello, friends. Do you want to search for a remote job online? Are you a recent college graduate or experienced professional? Do you want to find out if you're paid fairly by your employer? It's time to watch today's show. In today's show, I will show you step by step how I search and apply for a job on Indeed. Indeed is a very popular job board. Now, we will browse Indeed.com. In the job field, type Accounting Manager. For location, type Remote. Press the search button. When you see a job you're interested, right-click and select Open in a new tab. Let's go to Job Requirement and Benefits. This one matches me. I will click Apply now. Then, I upload my resume. Answer some company-specific questions. In the experience field, I type 5 years. In the highest education field, I select bachelor degree. Then, it asks me if I can speak Spanish. Next, it asks if I have the authority to work in the US. Next, it let me review the information I input. Okay, everything looks good. I will press Submit. Glassdoor.com is another popular job board. Let's go to Glassdoor now. A lot of Fortune 500 companies post on-site and remote job openings here. Similar to Indeed, you can search for position and location. Let's search for remote accountant. For the posting labeled Apply on Employer site, it will direct me to the job posting on employer's website. Let's look at this part-time remote accountant opening at a company called Supporting Strategies. Let me see if I meet the job requirement and how much they pay hourly. This one looks pretty good and it fits my schedule. Let me press Apply. I will fill out my info and then I attach my CV. Finally, I press Submit. Dada, it's so easy and quick. In addition to searching for job vacancy, Glassdoor also allows us to research on the average pay rate for a position in a specific geographic location. Let's look at how much a staff accountant pays in San Francisco. Let's see. It pays around $80,000 to $115,000 per year. However, if you want to drill down and see more information, they'll collect your information first, like your current salary. I don't want to do that. Instead, I will simply search online. Type the company name, followed by position and the word salary. This way the search result will return this information. It saved me from inputting my salary info. This is very straightforward. Thanks for tuning in today's show. I will see you in the next one. Good luck on your job search. Take care.